This is a tutorial on how to install YouTube as an app on your desktop computer. So let's see, first open up your browser. So that could be Google Chrome, or it really is anything Chromium based. So I'm going to show it on Google Chrome. Go to YouTube, go in the top right, press the three dots, cast, save, and share, and install YouTube. This will install YouTube as an app. I'm going to click cancel and show it on a different browser. So I'm also going to open it in Vivaldi, which is another browser that's Chromium based. So you can go to youtube.com from there as well. And if you don't have a three-dot menu like Google Chrome does, which Vivaldi does not have a three-dot menu, try checking the right-click menu. So I right-clicked the tab and I clicked install YouTube. And there you go. You now have a YouTube app. And you'll see that pops up in your own window, and you can drag that around. And it pops up in the start menu as an application. To uninstall this app, you can just go right click it from your start menu. So right click it and click uninstall. It'll take you to installed apps. You just search it up right there, click the three dots, and then click uninstall. And there you go, YouTube is no longer on your computer. Now this just installs it as a web app. You can actually do this with any other application or any other website, and it will work just like that.